Good day, ma'am. This is my presentation about different roasting levels. First, light roast. Light roasts have a light brown, tan color and lack of oil on the roasted beans. They have the highest acidity and are the brightest of the three roast levels. The characteristics of different origins are most pronounced in light roast, as are the qualities of the individual coffee. Second, medium roast. A medium roast will have a darker brown color than a light roast and will look richer. Some of the coffee's oils may be, may be visible on the beans as well. At this roast level, the coffee's qualities begin to give way to the roast flavors and aromas, creating a balance between acidity and body. Third, dark roast. Dark roast coffee beans stay on the roasting machine for longer and at a higher temperature than light roasted beans. To be considered dark, beans need to be roasted for to a temperature higher than 430 degrees but not much hotter than 440 degrees, which is the end of the second crack. Types of coffee grinds. Coarse grind. Coarse ground is larger particles. The larger particles will not go through the mesh wire filter at the bottom of the flanger of your French press. At the grocery store, just look for grounds that have coarse ground on the label. Medium coarse grind. A, a medium coarse grind is about the size of a large grain of sand, which means it's perfect for the French press. This, this ano ba? This grind size also needs a longer brew time to fully absorb the flavors, so the 5 to 8 minutes required by a press works well with it. Medium grind. A medium grind should be the size of regular beach sand and is used with pour-overs and automatic drip brewers. This grind size allows the water to slowly seep through the grounds, picking up the flavors while not being small enough to get through the filter and into your cup. That's all. Thank you.